Today, I'm going to show you how to add a translucent glass effect to your video. This effect gives your footage a frosted glass-like blur, perfect for creating a soft, dreamy look. Let's get started. Open your project in InShot and select the clip where you want to add the glass effect. Now tap Effect from the bottom toolbar and make sure you're in the Effect tab. Next, scroll over to the Style tab and there you'll find the glass effect. Tap it to apply it to your clip. Once the effect is on, you'll see a value slider at the bottom. This slider lets you control the intensity of the glass blur. Slide it to the right for a stronger blur or left for a subtler effect. When you're happy with the intensity, tap the check mark to apply the effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a translucent glass effect to your video. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and easy InShot editing tips.